السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And this is our 14th lesson. In this lesson we are going to practice the words related to Tashdeed sign. Basically the qaida that we are following, it will have 4 type of words related to Shadda letter. So there are some simple words in first exercise that just contains one Tashdeed sign, and the second exercise actually is the Tashdeed sign with sukoon sign, just like these words. This is Tashdeed sign and having sukoon sign as well. And there is a third exercise in which the Tashdeed sign, two Tashdeed sign comes together. And the fourth exercise, Tashdeed sign comes along with, after you can say madda letter. Just like that, there is a madda letter, but after that there is no Tashdeed sign. So the fourth exercise is about after madda letter and mad sign, you will see the letters with shadda. So in this exercise, I named as first exercise, we will just practice simple words with one shadda and sukoon sign, and the rest of the two exercises inshallah we will practice in our next lesson. So let's start inshallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. You know, whenever the letter shadda comes, we always connect with the previous letter. So ra with fatha will be connected with ba. Ra, ba, fatha, rab. Ba, kasra, bi. Rabbi. So basically you know that whenever the shadda sign comes, we merge the sound. We do not separate. We will not say rabbi, we will say rabbi. The sound will be merged together. Okay. And this letter is the same, just having ha with standing kasra. Ha standing kasra, he. So this one will be called Rabbi he. Okay, Rabbi he. Next, Hamza noon kasra in, noon fatha na. So you know that whenever noon comes with shadda, we do ghunna there. So we make the noon sound ghunna, nasal sound, inna. And this is the same word, just having after fatha alif comes. So this is a madda letter. Whenever after fatha alif comes, we make the sound longer. So this word will be called inna. Next, mim goes to noon, mim, noon kasra, min, noon alif fatha, na, minna. Okay. Then sa will be mixed up with mim. Sa, mim dhamma, sum, mim fatha, ma, summa. And in some transliterations, th is used instead of s. Waw fatha wa, lam goes to mim. Lam mim fatha, lam, mim alif fatha, ma, walamma. We will do ghunna there whenever mim comes with shadda. We will do ghunna there as well. Summa, walamma. Next, hamza fatha a, ha goes to ba. Ha ba fatha, hab ba fatha, ba, ahabba. Waw will be merged with ta. Waw ta fatha, wat ta ya kasra, ti. You know, after kasra, whenever ya comes with sukoon, it is a madda letter. We make the sound longer. and noon kasra ni. Wattini. Okay. Next, hamza goes to sa. Hamza sa fatha as, and for sometimes it will be like that. In some translations, as, and after fatha there is alif, sa alif fatha, sa, as-sa, qaf kasra qi, ba dhamma bu, as-saqibu, as-saqibu. Next, sa goes to jim, sa, jim fatha, saj, jim alif fatha, ja. So you see, after fatha alif is coming, so we are going to add one more a. It is a madda letter. Sajja, jim two fathas, jan, sajjajan. Mim dhamma mu. Seen will be mixed up with kha because it's having shadda sign. Seen kha fatha, sakh, kha fatha kha, musakha, musakha. So whenever shadda comes, we mix up the sound. So these two sounds will be mixed up together. So any letter will come with shadda, we will use, just like the J is having shadda, so the J sound is representing this jim one, so we will put two J sounds. Each time you see this there, the letter sa is represented by S, so we are putting two S sounds. Ta is having shadda, so we will put two T sounds. Each time you see any letter comes with shadda, so we are going to use two sounds of that letter. So musakha, ra alif fatha, ra, ta two kasras, tin, musakharatin, musakharatin. Sad will be mixed up with dal. Sad dal fatha, sad, dal fatha da, qaf fatha qa, saddaqa, saddaqa. Together, we will not make it separate. Whenever shadda letter comes, we mix up these sounds with the previous letter. This dal sound will be mixed up with alif sound, the sound of hamza, hamza, dal fatha ad, dal fatha da, adda, adda, ra fatha ra, jim alif fatha, ja, it is a madda letter, ta kasra ti, ad-darajati, ad-darajati. Fa fatha fa, sin fatha sa. Now you mix up ya with the noon because ya is having shadda sign. So noon, ya dhamma, nui. Basically this word, this sin will have shadda sign. That is not written correctly. Fa fatha fa, sin fatha sa, noon dhamma nu, fa sa nu. Ya goes to sin, ya sin kasra yas, sin kasra si, nu yassi. Fa sa nu yassi, ra dhamma ru, ha standing dhamma hu. Fasanu yassiruhu, fasanu yassiruhu. Waw will be connected with sheen. Waw, sheen, fatha, wash. Sheen goes to meme because you know whenever meme Any letter comes with sukoon, we connect it with the previous letter. Any letter comes with shadda, we mix up with the previous letter. Sheen will be mixed up with meme. Sheen, meme, fatha, sham. Seen kasra, si. Washamsi, washamsi. Meme dhamma mu. Ta goes to ha, ta, ha, fatha, tah. Ha, fatha, ha. Ra, fatha, ra. Ta two kasras, tin. Mutahhara, tin. Waw goes to sin. Waw, sin, fatha, was. Sin, fatha, sa, wassa. Mim, alif, mad, fatha, ma. 5 seconds long. Hamza kasra, e. Wassamai. Okay. Fa will be connected with jim. Fa, jim dhamma. Fuj, jim kasra, ji. Fuji. Ra, ta fatha, rat. Fujirat. Whenever we stop there, there will be little t sound. Fujirat. Meme will be connected with ra. Meme, ra, fatha, mar. Ra, waw, dhamma, ru. You know, now this is a madda letter. Waw with sukoon after dhamma, it is madda letter, so we make it longer. Ra sound. Marru. Ra will be connected with ba. Ra, ba, fatha, rab. Ba, ya, kasra, bi. Rabbi. Waw goes to sad. Waw, sad, fatha, was. Sad, ya, fatha, soy. This is after fatha, ya with sukoon, it's a lean letter. Soy. Fa, fatha, fa, kasra, fi. Was-soyfi. Waw goes to lam. Waw, lam, fatha, wal. Lam, ya, fatha, lay. Lam, kasra, li. Wal-layli. Wal-layli. Meme goes to noon. Meme, noon, dhamma, mun. Fa, kaf, fatha, fak. Kaf, ya, kasra, ki. Noon, fatha, na. Mun, you know, fa is an ikhfa letter, so we will do ikhfa sound on this noon with sukoon. Munfakkina. Munfakkina. Waw goes to za. Waw, za, fatha, was. Za, ya, fatha, zay. Was, zay. This is a lean letter. Ta, waw, dhamma, tu. Madda letter. Noon kasra, ni. Was-zay. Tuni. Was-zaytuni. So this is a big exercise. Basically this is a last sign, and these are, you can say, kind of final exercises. So there are big exercises related to that. I'm going to put inshallah more words and more pages there, so you can practice more. So basically, if you learn how to read the letter with shadda, then it is kind of it. All the signs we have discussed, there is no more signs. So if you will learn how to read this exercise properly, then you will be able to read Quran, inshallah. So that's it for today, inshallah. I will see you in next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.